Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how to solve the following question. In this question, we know the price of good X, we know the price of good Y, we also know the income of the consumer, and we want to solve the slope of the consumer's budget line. Well, some students will take this as a math question and they will get the answer right away. However, that's not what I want. I want you to use this example to picture that budget line, to have a better understanding of a budget line in economics. So let's have a quick look at this budget line. Here's the budget line. It's the same question. Okay, so that's the budget line, and now we want to calculate the slope. Well, there are 100 ways to calculate this in a math class, but here I want you to do it this way. Calculate the maximum amount of good X, and then calculate the maximum amount of good Y, and then we use the simple formula of rise over run to calculate the slope of this line. Okay, so let's calculate the maximum amount of good X when the consumer spends all his income on good X. That's easy. X max is just equal to the consumer's income divided by 8, and that's 21 units. Okay, so if the consumer spends all her income on good X, she can buy 21 units of that good. Don't take this as a math question. See, we are talking about economics, right? Now let's go back and solve for Y max. If the consumer spends all his income on good Y, then the maximum amount that he can afford is Y max equal to his income divided by the price of good Y. That gives us 28 units. Okay, let's look at the graph. So, if the consumer spends all his or her income on good Y, he or she can buy 28 units of good Y. Again, don't take this as a math question. I mean, this is a worthless math question. Okay, now we're going to calculate the slope of this demand. No, I'm sorry, the budget line. How do we do that? Rise over run. So it's equal to 28 over 21. That gives us an answer of 1.33. Now remember, in this class, we only talk about the absolute value of the slope of the budget line. So it's 1.33. So let's scroll down here. That's how we calculate the slope. Again, I want to emphasize that don't take this as a math question. You don't need to do this type of a math question. This is a high school math question, or maybe even junior high math question. You should take this as an economics question and think about everything in terms of economics. Here, income, and then if this is about income, this is about the maximum amount of a good, that if the consumer spends all his or her income on that good. It's about economics. Alright, that's all for this question.